Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Siri using your earbuds QCY Buds ANC. So, by default, to call a Siri you need to use your left earbud. At the back side we have touch controls, right here at the top, and you need to press 3 times at the touch control to call a Siri. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and as you can see, Siri is away. But we can customize it, we can add it to another gesture. To do this, open QCY application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see this menu. Right here, you need to go to the settings at the middle top. And as you can see, by default it's set to triple press for the left earbud, but you can add it for the single press for both earbuds, for the double press for both earbuds, and for the triple press for both earbuds. I'm going to add it for the single press for the right earbud, so I'm just click on it and then select voice assistant. Now let's check it. So if I press one time at my right earbud, it's the same at the top. I have touch control, so I press one time, and as you can see, I also call the Siri, so it also works. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.